Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, we have started our 7th lesson, the hot deserts, and half of the lessons we have seen till plant life, and we'll move forward for the animal life. As a number of animals that lives in and insects are found in the desert area because they have adapted themselves to live in the harsh climate, and animals that includes like foxes, hyenas, moles and snakes. Scorpions are common desert which are found in the desert area, and these animals all get their moisture from the food what they eat. And in the dry months many desert animals remain inactive for a long period, students, so they hide from the sun during the hot daytime and come out at night and to feed them. So more than half of the desert animals live some part of the time underground where it is cooler and more humid times. So many desert animals have developed physical features. So the camel, for example, it is very wonderful adapted to the hot desert. A camel can survive without water and food for a long time. So a long double row of eyelashes protect its eyes from sandstorms and hot sun. And the camel also has a keen sense of sight and smell. So its feet are large and padded, so this allowed it to walk on hot, shifting sand without burning its feet or sinking them. And its strong joint leaves and hard mouth thus feed on the sharp tough thorns of the desert plants. So for the thousands of years the camel has served as the only means of transporting goods and peoples in the desert. So this reason it is all called the sheep of the desert. Now coming to the human life, see, very few people live in the deserts because they can survive only where water is available. So the inhabitants of the hot deserts are usually nomads. Nomads are people who are moving from one place to another place in search of food, called as nomads, okay, who travel from place to place. An example such as nomadic tribes are famous Bedouins of Arabia and Tuaregs of the Sahara Desert. The occupation of the nomads is usually animal herding. So other nomadic peoples who live in the hot deserts make their living from farming, animal herding and trading, buying and selling of goods. Trading means buying and selling of goods. Millets is a popular food crop that is grown where water is available. Actually, in places where there are mineral deposits such as the Sahara, people work in the mines. Okay, so age traders in the desert have been traveling for a long distance in the caravans. Okay, so these consist strings of camels in large number of traveling together, and the journey could take months. So these days camel caravans have been attached canoes, means a group of vehicles traveling together, and humans have also changed many desert environments. Gaines canal system have been constructed to irrigate the land, and the Indira Gandhi canal in the Thar desert is one of the such canal. And many oases once reached by camel, now airports and other facilities are also there. Settlements have sprung up in deserts near the mines to obtain valuable minerals, and like petroleum in Saudi Arabia, Iraq and Iran, we will get that. So as this we have finished our lesson here, students, so we will do the textbook work here. So underline the correct answers. The Sahara desert is sand dunes, hot desert, cold desert. Correct answer is hot desert. Most hot desert lies between North Pole and the equator, Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, South Pole and the equator. Correct answer is Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. And deserts and dry because the sun shines directly all around. There is little rain, there is no winds, so there is little rain. Which of the following is a plant adaptation in the desert? Big leaf, short roots, fleshy stem. A common features of the sandy desert are sand dunes, river basin, valleys, sand dunes. And here, as most deserts are located on the dash side of the continent, western margin side of the coast continent. Gobi is a dash desert, cold desert. Some plants in the desert have waxy leaves to reduce water. The green patch in a desert where water can be found is called an oasis. People who move from place to place and do not settle down are called nomads. Match the following. Temperate deserts lies in a rain shadow. Okay, so here you can write B. Sahara desert, that is a very hot desert, C. Antarctic cold desert, E. Gobi Taklamakan, okay, D. Oasis, a pool of water fed by underground spring. So here our textbook work is also finished, students. So I hope you do your textbook work. Practice the hard work, students. Thank you. Bye bye.